Hello everyone. Question is the admin has set up a yearly price dimension on product Z. The user has added product Z to a quote with a 30-month subscription term and see that year 3 is the partial segment but the customer requires year 3 to be a full year. What steps should the admin take to enable the user to choose which year represents the partial segment? Option A. Place the first segment term end date field into the line editor field set on the quote object. Option B. Place the start date and end date fields into the segmented line editor field set on the quote line object. Option C. Place the subscription term field into the segmented line editor field set on the quote line object. Option D. Place the partial segment field into the segmented line editor field set on the quote line object. Correct answer is option A. Question is an admin at Universal Containers wants to configure a bundle with multiple features and have the product code of all options displayed in a single field for easy rendering on the quote document. What should the admin do to achieve this? Option A. Write a custom trigger. Option B. Use package product code. Option C. Create price rules and formula fields. Option D. Combine roller fields with formula fields. Correct answer is option B. Question is an admin at Universal Containers wants configuration attribute X to appear on the configuration page of bundle Y. The value selected will drive a selection product rule and will also be listed in a line item column in the output document. On which objects will the admin need to create the configuration attribute X custom field in order to meet his requirements? Option A. Configuration attribute and product option. Option B. Product option and quote. Option C. Configuration attribute and quote. Option D. Product option and quote line. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is an admin at Universal Containers wants to map configuration attribute values to the quote line in a customer's product catalog. Assuming the field mapping is correct, which setup will prevent the configuration attribute value from being stored on the non-bundle quote line? Option A on the configuration attribute apply to product options is not selected. Option B, a selection rule is being used to hide a configuration attribute value. Option C on the configuration attribute hidden is selected. Option D, the user choose a configuration attribute value that cannot be mapped. Option E, create a cross-object formula field that stores the product field's value in the quote line field. Correct answer is option A. Question is on a quote template, the price line column has a template section price line items defined. Which behavior will the admin observe when generating the output documents? Option A, price line column will not appear for included or zero price items. Option B, price line column will appear in multiple line items sections. Option C, price line column will not appear for other line item sections. Option D, price line item section will show only the price line column. Correct answer is option D. Question is Universal Containers sells their subscription products only in whole months. The users at Universal Containers are sometimes entering values into start date and end date and leaving subscription term blank. They are finding that subscription pricing is not working as they would expect because the dates they are choosing do not equate to exact months. This leads to pricing that may be a few cents or even a few dollars off. The admin would like to find a solution that does not require forcing the users to use subscription term. What should be done so that the pricing is rounded to the expected value? Option A in the package settings set subscription prorate precision to monthly. Option B on the quote object the subscription prorate precision field to monthly. Option C create a price rule which rounds the prorate multiplier to the nearest whole value. Option D create a price rule that takes the user entered date and calculates a rounded term. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.